Hello friends, hello, hi. This is your girl Josy. Today's another video. I'm going to cast off my sinking fan, which I have had these envelopes for a while now. I think since the beginning of the year that I set it up, but I want to switch it up a little bit. But today we're going to cast off it, so keep watching. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talked about cash staffing, budgeting, my student loan. I also talked a lot about savings challenges, which 100 envelope savings challenge has been one of my popular videos. So if that's why you are here, you are welcome. We're going to do more of those. But thank you for joining me today. For my new subscribers, thank you. Please remember to put on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my video. And also make sure you share my video. You never know who it might help. So for my sinking fan, is one of the fans that I love. I'm trying to come out with a system that I will be a year ahead of all my sinking fan, so that I wouldn't have any problem. Like I've been talking about, there's a lot of changes coming in my budget, so I'm kind of preparing myself towards that. I really want to be a month ahead and also be sinking fan ahead, even my variable expenses as well. I can just gauge it and be a month ahead with that. So for today's video, I'm going to cast off my sinking fan. And for my sinking fan, it's pretty much the stuff that I really need. I have a lot of sinking fan. I haven't divided them to low and high sinking fan. I put everything together. I feel like that makes it more simple and easy for me. And for this binder that I have, the rings are too big, so I can fit as many as envelope, about 18 of them in here, and it will so fit fine. Look at that. Look at it. I'm loving this wallet. I don't know how many left, but it's going so fast. Okay, so let's count the money. Then we will go ahead and cast off the sinking fan. This is 50. 1, 2, that's 20, so that makes it 70. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 95. This makes it 70 plus 95. That's 165. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 5. 170, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 180, 181. So that's how much we're going to put in my sinking fan for this paycheck. For today, I don't think I'll cast off all of them. This is Valentine. I'm just doing it against next year. We don't really spend a lot on Valentine, but we try to make something fun of that day or that weekend, whichever way it fell. So I've now saved about $10 here. Today I'm not adding anything. For birthday, yes, definitely. I think I'm done with all birthdays. For May was a very busy one because we have about 6 birthdays. The next one coming up, I have 2 birthdays coming up in June, and I have another, in July. Ending of June, getting July. And I have some birthdays coming up in September, 2 birthdays in September. Those are the 4 major ones that is coming up that I know I have to buy something for them. So today I'm doing 15. I really want to finish this, then when I'm done I'll do another one. I need about, probably by the end of this No, by the end of this month I need probably about 200. And oh, I did roll it over. I did put it in the high yield savings account, so that's 15. Then my back to school is getting $10. Oh, let me see. Do I have $10? I'll do 12. I have 10. Then my RX, that one I'll do, let's I'll do $12. And before I move on, I want to share my motivational message with you guys today. You guys know I love reading short motivational messages, so let me share with you. So today it said life is beautiful. Yes, life is really beautiful, but to make it beautiful for yourself, you really have to take care of your life. We pray that God give us life. We pray that God give us mercy. So if there's any sickness, anything coming to happen to us, God will heal us. But you yourself has to also take care of your life to make the life so beautiful for you and the people around you. I always tell people that I'm trying so hard to stay healthy because I don't have any time to get sick, because the people depending on me, if I'm sick right now, I know it's gonna be very, very bad. So life is beautiful. I'll leave it here so that you guys can look at it while I'm doing the car staffing. For car registration, I'm just gonna do probably $2 today. I'm not in a rush for the car registration because I have up to February to do this car registration. Then for car maintenance, I'll do $6 here. So far, we don't have any car payment. We haven't had any problem. The only thing we do is oil change. And when it's time for oil change, my dear husband do that. So I'm just keeping this car maintenance just for in case we need to do a major thing on the cars. We don't have any car pay, thank God. I hate car payment. Okay, for house maintenance, we have a lot of things to do in our house. It's not really funny, not funny at all. So I'm gonna do, let's see what I can do here. Maybe I will do $10 today. It's always not enough money in my binder for house maintenance when something happened. I always get mad when we have to do, like, there's something that we have to do in the house. We find the estimate and it's about $4,000. It's just, I'm like, I don't have enough money to do this. Okay, for other occasions, I'm gonna do $7 here. For miscellaneous, I want to finish the other ones first and see if I have little money, then I'll come back to miscellaneous. So for my self-care, I'm doing $10. So I'm shaving. I have up to end of the month to see the money, that what I will use the money for, which this year I don't have any plan using it, but this, like I said, there's a lot of changes, so I might take it and put it towards my emergency fund, which I'm doing it like a month ahead form. So when I finish a month, I go to the next month. Okay, for HMO, yes, definitely I have to do $10 today. I have up to next May to pay for that, and it's always expensive too as well. For blessing, definitely 24, one of these. One, two, three, four. Then maybe, let's see if I can change $1 from here. Then I'll put 25. For family fun, we are saving towards a surprise, and today I'm putting in $60. I have to finish it and do another one. We need about $1,000 for that. Okay, so that's 60. And let me see how much I have. Oh, I need $500. Oh, okay, so 300, 310. Okay, so level like 90 here to get to 500, and we have more. Okay, I can't wait to do that. Then for pedicure, I think I'm gonna put everything here. How much do I have? I have $8. Okay, let's see. We have a lot of activities coming up. I definitely know that we have to do our nails, so put that one. So that's all for my sinking fun. Thanks for watching me today. Super grateful. So if you are new here and you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please do so. Don't forget to click on the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. So next Sunday, I'm going to be off. I'm planning on doing the live that we're going to count the 100 envelope savings challenge. And I'm super excited about that. So put on your notification. I'm giving out the 5 of the 100 envelope savings challenge binder. So you don't want to miss this. Share. You never know who will win. So make sure you do that as well. And remember, today life is beautiful, so make it very beautiful. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.